Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the extrusion and fillet. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this circle with 40 millimeters of diameter. And we will create this arc with 40 millimeters of radius. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 80 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select a circle. Make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and the midpoint is 80 millimeters. And here go to constraint, select the vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And now go to arc, center point arc, click here at this point, make an arc here with 40 millimeters of radius. And make sure that this point here is vertical with the midpoint. And select a line, make a line between this point and the midpoint, okay? And now, we made this line here. We will create this line and this one. This line here has 40 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. And this line here is tangent with this arc. So select line, click at this point, make a line here and another line here, and go to dimension. This line here has 40 millimeters, and go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line and this arc, and go to horizontal constraints, select this point here and the midpoint. And the distance between this line here and this one is 100 millimeters. And now we will make this sketch. And here we know that this line here and this one is equal. This one and this one is equal. And this line here has 20 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and this one is 75 degrees. So let's create this. Select line, click here in the midpoint. This line here has 20 millimeters. And make the sketch here. And here go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and this one. And select this line and this one. Let me move the dimension here a little bit. And go to dimension. The angle between these two lines is 75 degrees. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. So select this line and this one. The distance here is 20 millimeters. And here we finish the sketch 1. So go to finish the sketch and go to extrude. We need to extrude this 120 millimeters. So the profile, select this area. The direction symmetric and the distance here 120 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this cut. This cut here. So we will select the front plane again and we will make this sketch here, this triangle. The fillet we will make later, okay? So we'll make a line here coincident with this edge here with 60 millimeters of length. And we will create this line here and this one. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and show the origin, select XY plane. It is the front plane. And here press F7 in the keyboard. And select the line. Click here in this edge. Make a line here with 60 millimeters of length, a horizontal line. Make a line here coincident with this edge here, and make a line between this edge and this one. Okay, and here finish the sketch. Go to extrude. We needed to make a cut here with 40 millimeters. So the direction, select symmetric, the distance here 40 millimeters, and the output is cut, and press OK. And now we will create the fillet. We have two fillets here with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, and the radius here is 5 millimeters, and select this edge here and this one, and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.